Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. In the last video, we have seen that we have add a column. Now we are going to learn how to rename a column. So by mistake, I want to change the username with user underscore name. Then how I can do that? So in this video, we are going to learn how we are going to do the renaming of a column. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment on my video. Let's get started. It's very easy. So let's generate migration for renaming a username column. So again, we have to generate that one. Okay, so let's add this. Okay, the migration is generated. So here we have. Okay, you rename username column. Okay, so let's add the column which you want to rename. So here we go with this one. Let's add this one. Okay, rename column with username with user underscore name, and same with remove. Okay, let's run the command, that is db migrate, and it's done. So username will change to user underscore name. Let's have a look. So it's change. Okay, so very easy, very simple. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.